What is going on, everybody? You're watching Next Gen Speed. Today we're going over our new C8 Corvette carbon fiber interior pieces, which we have right here, which includes the interior A-pillar covers. Retains all factory clips, everything like that, all the pins and everything like that, and also the defoggers as well will be included. So we have these available at Next Gen Speed. Also have this set ready to go, which we're not gonna be installing today on this C8 Corvette because if you guys seen previously on little teasers, we did add these star lights into the interior. So let's check that out real quick. In a comparison for the driver's side, let's see how that's gonna look. Pretty much just like that, guys. Cover that entire piece on the side. Also go down here onto the dash to make that all carbon. The next thing we gotta do is this roof piece. That would be a little crazy, but we'll see what we could cook up at Next Gen Speed. So as you can see, pretty much looks OEM as you can see, but turn on the button and bam. Look at that, guys. Got a custom Starlight headliner up in there. People usually put it on top of the roof over here. But with the C8, you don't got that option. So we just add in the back, on the sides, and on the front A-pillars. It's pretty much these carbon pieces will cover this entire section right there, and also right here. These new pieces are a replacement unit, so made from the OEM part, not just the cover. Made with a high gloss carbon fiber, available with the black carbon, red carbon, or blue carbon as well, and also forged carbon that we just released recently. As you can see, these 100% real carbon fiber parts right here. Let me show you the back side. Just show you that they're the replacement parts that they just snap in by taking off the old piece, replacing these with the new one. Just a little comparison between the two. Got the right side right here, and they got the new carbon one, fresh, ready to go. Check out how nice that looks, guys. Officially available at Next Gen Speed. Pretty much are the first ones to do this. So make sure to check out the link in the description below if you guys want to get these. Got the custom made in red carbon, black carbon, blue carbon, forged carbon, pretty much any way you want to do it. You can also do matte carbon as well, but you cannot go wrong with the gloss. Matches these door entry pillars nicely too. Besides that, we've done much of the interior on the C8. As you can see, whole lots of pieces available. Not sure what else we could do. The next we got coming are these door panel, kick panel covers. They're made of 100% real carbon fiber with the hard carbon fiber as well. We have the soft option available right now. We have the hard to match everything else we have going on and available at nextgenspeed.com.